Hello, I'm 3D character artist Minjeong Shin. Well, part 1 of my series explored the basics of 3D modeling for beginners who are new to Blender. Part 2 focuses on more advanced skills, showing the process of full character creation using sculpting and retopology techniques. Are you looking for ways to give a more natural look to your self-made characters? You first need to fully understand the basic shape of a character, which will determine the final quality. Build a strong foundation so you can produce quality results with all kinds of facial expressions. Say goodbye to blank-looking characters. Give them happy, sad, and even furious expressions, as well as dynamic poses, with over 70 in-class exercises. Learn everything from body sculpting to retopology tips for optimizing countless meshes, exclusively on Colosso.